Imagine a life where your cravings are under control. Your energy levels are soaring, and those stubborn pounds are finally melting away. Welcome to the world of Vivaslim. Vivaslim Drops is not just another dietary supplement. It's a game changer in the realm of weight loss and overall health. Manufactured by Simple Promise, Vivaslim targets metabolic processes, reduces appetite, and enhances energy levels, making weight management a breeze. The secret lies in its unique blend of natural ingredients, each chosen for its potent health benefits. African mango extract, known for reducing fat cell growth and improving cholesterol levels, is a key player in this formula. L-arginine, an amino acid, improves blood flow and circulation, promoting muscle growth and better exercise performance. L-glutamine supports muscle recovery, reduces sugar cravings, and maintains a healthy gut, making it easier to stick to your diet. L-ornithine detoxifies ammonia in the body, promoting fat loss and enhancing recovery after exercise. Maca root, a Peruvian plant, balances hormones, increases energy, and helps reduce stress-induced weight gain. Niacin, or vitamin B3, converts food into energy, supports metabolic function, and may even improve brain function. Beta-alanine buffers acid in muscles, improving exercise performance and reducing fatigue. Astragalus, a traditional Chinese herb, boosts the immune system and promotes longevity. L-carnitine transports fatty acids into the mitochondria for energy production, promoting fat burning and enhancing athletic performance. Rhodiola rosea, an adaptogen, helps the body resist stress, reduces fatigue, and aids in weight management. Pygum africanum supports urinary health, reduces inflammation, and may help with weight loss. L-glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, combats oxidative stress and detoxifies the body, enhancing fat metabolism. With ingredients like these, it's no wonder Vivaslim is formulated to help burn excess body fat and prevent its storage. By boosting your metabolic rate, Vivaslim targets stubborn fat areas like the belly, thighs, and arms. Not only does it suppress appetite, but it also converts stored fat into energy, increasing overall energy levels. Vivaslim is easy to incorporate into your daily routine, making it a natural and accessible solution for weight loss. Join the countless satisfied users and transform your life with Vivaslim. Feel the difference. See the results. Vivaslim, your natural path to a healthier you.